Hi everyone, so today we're going to be talking about Etsy variations. I'm going to show you how to do several types of variations. So of course we're going to start by going to Etsy.com and then we're going to click on Shop Manager. And then from here you're going to go to your listings. Okay, so from here I'm going to show you different types of listings because I have different types of products. Basically, I'm going to show you what I do with my stickers because I offer two different materials, and then I can show you my journals, which I offer three different types of materials or slash colors. The max you can do is two, but you could also vary it in terms of price, in terms of quantity. So I'm going to show you all of that. So I'm going to go to a listing that doesn't have variations. I'm just going to click on this. So from here, once you get into your listing, you can see from up here, Etsy made it a lot easier to find certain categories. So we're going to click right here on variations. Okay, so since this doesn't have any variations, it's going to say add variations. So we're going to go ahead and do that, add variations. And Etsy automatically shows you like the types of variations that you can do. So it can be, primary color, secondary color, fabric type. I'm going to skip this and just click create your own. So I'm going to pretend these are my stickers. So to name it, I'm going to name it material because it is based off what material people will choose. So I'm going to name this variation material. So right here, so let's say I had different photos for the different stickers. I could check this. So that way I can put the corresponding variation to the photo. And again, I'll show you how to do that. But for now, I'm just going to click this off. And now for options, this is where you add the different types of variation. So for this is material, so it'll be glossy. And then you can just click enter to add it, and then matte. And you can do, I don't know how many, I'm not sure if there's like a limit to how many categories you can add, but so far I'm not seeing it. I'm just going to do these two, and I'm going to click done. Okay, so from here, you can add another variation. So what I like to do is, so again, it takes you back to the screen. I'm going to click create your own. What I like to do with my stickers, even though Etsy already allows customers to pick more than one sticker, I like to offer a discount when customers purchase more than a couple of stickers. So what you can do is create your own category and name it quantity. On the options, I just do one sticker, two stickers, three, and like I said, you can do as many as you want. For now, I'm just going to do four, up to four. So now we're going to click done. So now as you can see, you have the two, and again, the max you can do is two. So for here, since we're doing quantity, prices are going to be different. So I'm going to check this. And since there's two of them, it's going to ask you if you click on the drop down menu, you can either do both. If you are, let's say, for my glossy stickers, they're a little pricier than matte. I could price it differently. Like I can price it like $1 extra. So you can either do both, or if you're just offering different price for quantity, you can just click quantity. For now, I'm just going to click quantity just to not make it too complicated. You can also click quantities vary. So let's say for material, if you have more glossy than matte, you can click this. But for now, I'm just going to leave it as prices, just to not overcomplicate things right now. And I'm going to click apply. So I don't know why it doesn't take you straight to the variations, but I mean, like I said, over here you can just click and then it'll take you straight to it. So now that you've added variations, it changes from add variations to manage variations. But as you can see, you have the materials, so glossy, matte, and you can, I don't know why you would want to make that not visible, but the option is there. Maybe if you like suddenly run out of a material and you want to like quickly remove it, make it not available anymore. but we're just gonna leave that on. Now we have quantity, and this is where it looks a little different because we did click prices vary for quantity. So for one sticker, I usually charge just 3, but let's say, like I said, I wanted to offer a discount for people purchasing more than 1 sticker. So 2 stickers would technically be 6, but I'm gonna pretend I'm offering $1 off if you buy more than 1. So it would be 5. And then so 3, 3, 6, 9, $1 off, 8. And then again for 8, 12. And I can offer more of a discount since it is a lot more, so I can offer $2 off. So then instead of 12, it would be 10. So here you have a lot of room to be creative. Like I said, it doesn't have to be like the same thing as like $1 off. The higher or the more people purchase, you can offer even more of a discount since you can input any number on here. So that's just how you do quantity. If you again wanted to offer a discount for people purchasing more than 1, in this case stickers. So I'm gonna discard. Okay, so now we're gonna do this all over again. Now I'm gonna show you a more complicated version of this. So I'm gonna add variations. Again, I'm gonna create your own. So I'm just gonna do the exact same thing. So I'm gonna do material. It's gonna be the exact same thing, but let me just speed through this. I'm gonna toggle both of these on. I'm gonna do prices and I'm gonna do quantities, okay? But I'm gonna stick to one variation. So I'm gonna show you what it looks like on just one of them. I'm gonna click apply. Okay, so this is how it would look like if you had picked both prices vary and quantity. So again, like I said, I'm gonna pretend I'm charging a little more for glossy, so it'd be 4, and then matte would be 3. Okay, so from here, let's say I have more glossy stickers than matte, so I'll do, I don't know, 20, and then this can be 10. So, like I said, this is how it would look like for one variation. Now I'm going to show you how it would look like for when you have 2 variations and you have it set to prices and quantity vary. So, again, we're going to discard. So we're going to go back to add variations. So here I'm going to do it a little differently. I'm going to actually click one of these. So I'm going to do primary color. And I'm just going to do rose gold. And then maybe white. And silver. So I'm just kind of thinking about my journals. I offer a few colors for my journals, so that's kind of where I'm getting these colors from. So yeah, so I'm going to click done. Okay, and now we're going to add another variation, and I'm going to do a create your own. So for this one, I think I'm going to do sizing. So size. Let's look at that. Oh, okay. So we're going to do pocket, delete this, and then A6 for sizes, since I'm using my journal example. So again, we're going to click done. And here I'm going to click prices vary and quantities vary. And it's going to be both for color and for size. We're going to click apply. Okay, and this is where it gets a little tricky and it looks a bit crazy because I clicked both price and quantity vary. So it made a variation for each scenario. So we got rose gold, size pocket, and then price quantity. Rose gold, size A6, price quantity. Then we got white, pocket size, again, price and quantity, white, A6. So it looks a little more complicated when you do it this way. So I just wanted to show you just to make it a little less complicated. So here we go. We got rose gold, pocket size. Since it's a smaller journal, I'm gonna say it's like $10. Quantity, I'm gonna say there's 5 in stock. Okay. Rose gold, A6, a little bigger. I'm gonna say this is $15. Quantity, let's say, actually, I'm gonna change this to 10 because this is smaller, so I probably have more. And this one is slightly bigger, so I'll have less. White pocket. So this is where you can decide if you want to charge a little bit more depending on the color. If you want, you can charge a little more. So let's say for white, I want to charge $2 extra. Oh shit. And we'll say there's 5 or 10 in stock, my bad. Because it's a smaller version of the journal. And since this one's bigger, again, I added an extra $2, so it'd be 17. 5. And then let's say silver and rose gold are about the same price point, so we'll keep that at 10. 10. And then A6, rose gold, 15. 5. And as you can see, this can get a little complicated, so I would suggest just slowly going through each one if you do have to set it to prices and quantity vary. Just make sure you are reading which variation you are filling in. But yeah, so there's that. We're going to discard. And now, okay, I want to show you how to link the photos to the different types of variations. I'm actually going to get out of this listing. Just give me 1 second. Sections, journals. I'm also planning to do a video of how to navigate Shop Manager. So all of these categories, how to navigate this and how to navigate through your listings a little more efficiently, like I just did right now, where I was able to just toggle into journals. Again, in a separate video. Okay, details. Okay, Etsy really should have one set to be able to go to your photos. But anyways, so this one does have the corresponding photos for the colors. So again, we're gonna go click variations from the top menu. And I already have the variations set up, so I already have the colors. And for me, I don't charge more depending on what color you get. They are all the same price. I just have the quantity. So you're going to click on Manage Variation. Okay. And then on the variation you want to work with, you want to click here. And then you will see it says links photos to this variation. You're going to want to toggle this on. Okay, and now it changed it to this. So now you will just have to click select photo depending on what color it corresponds to. And it's actually helpful that it includes it up here too, just in case you forgot. So we're looking for silver, and this would be the silver one. Okay, and then you just have to go through each one. So again, up here, rose gold, gold, gold. Okay, and there we go. You applied the photo that corresponds to the variation. And we're just going to click done. And then apply. Okay, and I guess we can publish changes. Okay, so now we're going to go back. I believe it was this one, right? Let's go view on Etsy. Took a minute to load. Okay, let's see if it actually worked. So we're going to do silver. Rose gold. I don't know if it's just taking a minute. Let me see. I'm just going to reload it. I kind of forgot I have the camera over here. Okay, I think, okay, it just took a minute. Okay. Let me go back. Okay, view on Etsy. I just want to start all over again. Okay, so this is what the listing would look like on Etsy. And now, perfect. Okay, so there's silver, rose gold, and gold. Okay, so that's how it would look like for when a customer were to go on your listing. And yeah, so that's how you set up variations, pretty much. That was the gist of it. Let me know if this video was helpful, and if you like this type of content, please let me know in the comments. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys later.